Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I still gonna show again how you can get trades daily. I mean not every day, but obviously every day when you get at the computer you can see this setup and you can take it, and if it's profitable it's good, you're making money. So let's get down to the video. Yeah, so obviously everybody already knows I'm trading the break and retest strategy, obviously, and I'm breaking down the chart. Yeah, so on the daily, yeah, I'm not really looking like way too far. I'm just looking at this price action. Yeah, so obviously we can see we're going up kind of, yeah, but we get here at the support, at the resistance, and we got like this Friday huge pin bar, obviously, and plus is a bearish pin bar. So obviously if it's bearish for today, I was looking for short because I'm looking to go towards this area. Yeah, but let's see how the price action develop on Monday, I mean today. So on the 4-hour, yeah, from Friday, what do we see here? Is a push, pullback, push, pullback, push, pullback. Try to make a push by make a high low and broke this structure and even this structure. So obviously what I was looking today is for break and retest strategy of Asia high, either low, because everybody knows there is liquidity. So my bias is down on the daily, on the 4-hour, on the 5 minutes. What do we see, guys? Everybody already knows how do I trade. Yeah, so obviously a lot of people, they can say whatever they want to say. Yeah, what do I like to see? I like to see if my bias is up. Obviously I like to see a fake of the bottom, get back into the zone, retest and move up. Obviously same here, same thing here. Yeah, you can say, yeah, it's a break, retest, and then it moved up. Yeah, you could literally take a trade, but this is a risky trade because it's a counter trend trade, obviously. But instead, what I was waiting for to break and then to come back, then to retest, and then to move down. But obviously this stuff, it didn't happen right away. You can see it here, yeah, the price action, what it did themselves. Yeah, it gives you an opportunity for the buy, and this particular trade makes me more confident to take it for the shorts, because break, retest, went up, everything beautiful, yeah, and by the time that breaking this, coming back into this zone, yeah, that means it breaks a lot of a lot of lows, how you can see here. Yeah, so what he actually did, came here and then came back, and literally when it broke even this low, yeah, I was like, let me take the retest. So you can take the retest, you can put it right here somewhere, yeah, and you can take down to this zone, and you can take 2R easy. Either obviously you're already late and we are already on the New York session, but most likely the price is just gonna go down. What you can do tomorrow, yeah, if overnight the price breaks, retest this zone, you can take a short from here. But I wouldn't do that. I would just wait for tomorrow's day to see the Asia, and obviously my bias will gonna be still bearish, so I'm gonna wait for the break and retest of the Asia high and Asia low tomorrow. So that's how I trade, guys, every single day. And you can take 2R, 1.5, 2, 3, 4. You can make like this one like that. and to make 336. It's up to you guys. I like bigger stop loss. I can take even like that, and you can take one to 50.69, and that's alright with me, because sometimes you can still like come back here, grab some more liquidity, and then just move down, sorry. You can do like that. Who knows? I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. The market is so unpredictable. But what we can do is just to give a chance to be right. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, guys, if you like this type of breakdown trades, subscribe, like, comment down below if you don't understand something, and see you in the next video. See you later.